Hello kids, welcome back to our channel. Today we draw capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. First we open colors. Silver color. The next one is sky blue color. Brown color. Brown color, kids. The next one is, yes, Persian blue color. Stay with us. The next one is, yes, yellow color. Yellow color. The next one is black color. Now we open the color of red. Red color. Orange color. Orange color. White color. Now we open the color of, yes, yes, light pink color. Dark pink color. Light green color. Dark green color. And the last one is blue color. Blue color. Today we draw and writing capital letter alphabets A to Z. Stay with us. White color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yellow color. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Black color. O, P, Q, R, S, T, U. Persian blue color. V, W, X, Y. And the last one is Z. Stay with us. Now we're writing alphabets. First we are using the color of yellow and writing the alphabet of A. A for apple. The next one is B. B for ball. C for cow. C for cat. The next one is D. D. Now we draw the alphabet of E. The next one is, yes, F. G. G for God. So kids, now we are using the color of silver and writing the alphabet of H. H. I. I for ice. J. The next one is K. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. Now we draw the alphabet of M. Stay with us. N for nose and for nest. Kids, the next one is O. We are again using the color of silver. O for octopus. P for penguin. Q for, yes, queen. R for rice. S for snake. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. Light green color. Writing the alphabet of V. The next one is W. Now we draw the alphabet of X. X for Xmas tree. Y for York, and the last one is Z. Stay with us. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.